I'm looking into this lens today with a heavy but hopeful heart because I know some of you are starting at a bank balance of 0. Maybe it's even negative. The light of Dirty December have gone quietly. The music has faded, and the silence of January is asking questions you are not sure you can answer. I want you to hear this clearly. Starting at 0 is not failure, it's a reset of your fundamental algorithm. Charlie Munger, a man whose thinking moved billions, once sat exactly where you are right now. In 1962, he was 38 years old, divorced, buried in debt, and grieving the unimaginable loss of his son. He didn't recover through motivation. He recovered through discipline and a ruthless first-principle plan. Today on the Farm Podcast, we are not just talking about money, we are talking about the psychology of scarcity, how it distorts judgments, and how to rebuild from 0 without losing your mental well-being. This is the 2026 masterclass from the Farm Podcast. Guess what? And it's free. If you are at 0, don't blink. Come closer. I've got something I want to share with you. This moment belongs to you. So let's get started. The framework, the 4 rivers of income, because no life and no family should depend on one fragile income. But we approach this with Munger principle. Instead of asking, how do I get rich? Instead, we ask, what will keep me poor this new year? If you are able to remove the things that will keep you broke first, then we are starting at a clean slate. The 4 rivers are built in order, not at once. Control, income, security, and growth. This order must be in place. Miss the order and the system collapses. I'm sure you don't want that. How do we start? Phase 1, the month of January. That's where we have the sincere audit. Stop the bleeding. Stop the leaking. Stop the unnecessary spending. Munger's first rule was simple. Stop the bleeding. When you stop the leak, you'll be able to ascertain and look at your whole finances in a very clear picture. Here in the UK, we call it the cost of living crisis. Poverty compounds just like wealth does. Every month you spend more money than you earn, you are compounding catastrophe. And I pray that's not you. So this month you perform a sincere financial audit, not spreadsheet audit. If your car payment is eating 40% of your income, you don't need that car. Brother, sister, you don't need a car. You need a used Honda or Toyota and your freedom back. If your subscriptions are quietly draining you, cancel them. You cannot build a skyscraper on a swamp. Clear the debts. There are some debts that come with high interest rates. They are your leaks. 0 is not shameful. 0 is a clean slate. And you do not build a new future on old debts, my friend. It's okay. Take a pause. Drop your shoulder. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 6. Clarity begins in the body. Phase number 2. I like this. This is the month of February to March. I call this period the capital surge. Now we move into income. You need to bring in that money right now. For the next 60 days, I repeat, for the next 60 days, forget the stock market, forget the crypto, forget passive income. You cannot invest your way out of poverty with £50. This is your capital season. The month of February to March. Say your time, say your skills, work the hours. Overtime, extra shifts, night shifts, day shifts, evening shifts. Do all you can that is humanly possible. This is not your passion phase. This is your leverage phase. This phase, you need to bring in more money. Munger understood this deeply. Capital gives you options, and options give you power. Your goal is simple here right now. Start your first £5,000 or its equivalent. Bring in the money, my friend. This money is not for enjoyment. You are building something right now. Just come with me. I will explain everything to you. Just stay with me. Temporary discomfort for permanent leverage. That's where we are right now. So we move from phase 2 now. We are into phase 3, April to June. Oh my God, I love this. Anxiety insurance. Yes, the fortress of peace. Now you build the war and emergency funds between 10,000 to 15,000, or even from 5,000 to 10,000, or from 3,000 to 5,000. Start building something. Start putting money aside. Many analysts call this money dead money. They are wrong. This is not dead money. They have never been broke before. I have been there. If you are broke, my guy, you will know what I'm saying. When you have no buffer, your brain operates in panic mode. When you have reserves, you regain logic. When you have money, my friend, you start thinking straight very well. You won't be angry easily. If you're broke, you'll be angry. Any small thing, don't be angry. So this fund is not just financial. It is neurological. Take a deep breath. Am I too fast right now? Check your chest right now. If it tightens when you hear this, that's not laziness. That's trauma. We build slowly so your nervous system can catch up. We've talked about phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Right now is phase 4, the month of July to August. We call this the global skill upgrade. Now we invest, but not in assets. We invest in you, my friend. We invest in you, brother. We invest in you, sister. This is your circle of competence. Spend capital to make your hour worth more. In 2026, borders are weaker than skills. Here in the UK, we have AI operations, cloud, cyber securities, and data systems. Your goal is simple. Own the means of your own production. Don't just work harder, make your hour more valuable. Because this is the only way you can make more money, because now when you have the skills they're looking for, you are about to provide value. Phase 5, the month of September to October. I call this phase the passive river. Now and only now do we talk about investing. You see where we are coming from January to now, about saving, working, putting money aside. We talk about investing, index funds, dividends, stocks, small property stakes, money that works while you sleep. By this phase, you are no longer surviving. You are deploying, developing, yielding quiet soldiers for your future. You see how we start from ground zero, $0. Look at where we are right now. So from phase 5, I'm going to introduce you to phase 6, November to December, the big one, the legacy guard. This is the discipline test. The holidays return, Christmas and New Year. The pressures return, buying gifts, spending more money, buying things. The comparison returns. My neighbor, oh, they got more things this Christmas. I don't have it. But now, this is where you protect your wall. Plan for year 2, that is New Year. When they are saying, hey, Happy New Year, you just smile because you know you've already fortified your money yourself very well. If you finish December with this structure I just gave you now, you are no longer rebuilding, you are a steward. And stewardship is wealth with responsibility. Family, I have just given you a structure, a model by Charlie Munger. If you follow this throughout this year, trust me, by the next Christmas, you will be smiling. 2026 does not have to be another year of trying. It can be the year of execution. If you are starting at 0, I'm genuinely excited for you, okay? Because the only thing more powerful than a person with everything is a person with a plan and nothing to lose. You cannot stop that person. Remember, personal finance is personal, and your mental well-being is priceless. My name is Braimoh. This is the Farm Podcast. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and God bless.